Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can uninstall Valorant completely from your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar first and type Task Manager. Click on Task Manager under the best match, maximize this. We need to make sure that we are going to completely close any instances or processes of Riot Client or Valorant. So let's search for Valorant. Now Valorant is not running in our background, but let's look for Riot Client. So we find the Riot Client here, right click and then select End Task. Now once done, close this and then click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for apps, installed apps, and you will find all the applications installed from your Windows or on your Windows. So here we need to uninstall Valorant first before Riot Client. So click on the three dots, select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Click on done. Also for the Riot Client, click on the three dots, select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Click on done, then close this, and then make a right click at the start button, select File Explorer. Now click on this PC, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down and look for Riot Games, make a right click, select Delete. Now once deleted, close this. Then press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type percentage app data percentage, hit enter. Then look for the Riot Games folder or the Riot Client. Right click, select delete. Also look for Valorant if you can find Valorant in here. Now once done, close this and then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type run. Click on run. We also need to clear all the temporary files of our Windows. Type in here tmp, hit enter, and then delete everything from here. And then you have to hit the delete bin at the top. Now, after you have deleted everything from your temporary files, then you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And that's it. You have just deleted permanently uninstalled Valorant from your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.